This is the Jing Jia Micro or Jingmi. I bought it on Taobao. It's the Chinese GPU, Chinese 3D card, Chinese display card. That is this one JM9100, JM9100, 9100. You can see it's very great, and but the software driver optimization are still not in the good shape. It has HDMI and VGA. These up, that's okay, right? Just for kind of playing video or something. I will test it. Now I'm unboxing it to show you that one. I previously got the JM7 series, but it was slow. So this is better because it's the 9 series, so it's great. Now with the installation to the Loongnix. Loongnix CPU 3A4000. Now it supports it. It's good, and it's faster than the old one, the JM7 series. JM7320 should be, maybe. You can check back my previous video of the JM7 series one, and I will have some benchmark and test for you to fill this card. Jing Jia Micro Electronics JM9100 Loongnix 3A4000.